This is one of my favorite stencil designs that I've used. It just came out looking so cute. On today's episode of Not Your Everyday Wall, we are creating a design using our falling leaf pattern, and we are using this color palette right here. I'm super excited to get into it, so let's go. For my base color, I'm using that muted pink color from the palette. I absolutely adore this falling leaf stencil. It is so fitting for the season and just has so much airy quality to it. Once I taped down my first stencil, it was time to start painting, and I began painting the center portions with the light mint green color and then the outer portions with my darker purple. Then I just lined up my registration marks to complete the next stencil and I was good to go. After I finished my first row, I actually decided that I wanted to start adding in a brown petal to each stencil in a random spot each time. After I started doing this, it really just broke up the pattern a little more, adding some randomness and variety to the color. Now, when you're working with such a small stencil like this one on a larger wall, it's definitely going to take some time, but once you have your materials all near you and you're in a good rhythm, you'll be done in no time. This wall design was definitely tedious with how small the stencil was, but I think having that tiny type of pattern just creates such a beautiful look in the end, and it's so worth it. If I got this pattern in a larger stencil, which is completely available on our website, I don't know if it would have the same effect that I want it, but if that's what you're going for, then you can just get whatever size you'd like. When I was coming to the end with just a couple stencils left, with a snap of the fingers, I was done just like that. I wish it was that easy, but it definitely came out so great in the end. I love all the cool tones of the color with just that pop of the warm brown accent in each stencil. It just looks so beautiful and unique. Head to our website to check out more of our stencils, and don't forget to tag us on social media with your stencil art.